How do you use the AI toolbox and coins in Kumoo? Let's break it down in one quick video. Import your photo to create a project. Go to the bottom of the right toolbar and enter the AI tools. On the right, you'll see all available AI features. Using AI tools requires coins. Click the top right corner to check your balance or recharge. Take AI removal as an example. It includes auto and manual modes. Auto erase can detect and remove passersby, clutter, watermarks, or text. The system will mark the areas automatically. You can refine the selection with a brush, then click Generate. Each generation costs 2 coins. When saving, you can duplicate as a new image or overwrite the original. And that's just part of the AI tools. AI grass restoration detects and restores patchy grass with adjustable intensity. AI weather creates sunshine, snow, or mist to transform your scene. AI denoise removes low light noise while preserving clarity, also adjustable. More AI tools are coming soon. Stay tuned.